Hi guys, welcome to this channel. This channel is dedicated to do a lot of videos for Swig, for training people, showing people how they can open their wallet, the Bitcoin wallet. As you know, we are moving towards the blockchain, towards the crypto market. So it is I made it my initiative to actually start to record this video to show people in different countries on how they can create their wallet and be able to fund their account, buy Bitcoins and be able to fund their account in Crew. Okay guys, so I will appreciate, I just want to ask you two things. If you can subscribe, if you can click this button here to subscribe to my channel, so that you know, it doesn't cost you anything, so that I get my channel get to be visible a lot, so many people from in our company, they can find these useful videos. Okay, the next thing you can do is, once you hit subscribe, is to also go to hit subscribe like that. You will see this bell button here. It's very important to click on it so that when I upload the video, you will be able to see the videos. Okay, I hope it will be useful for all of you guys, and yes, I have dedicated my time to try to do that. So these are the two favors I would like to ask you guys. So if you can hit that subscribe button, this one, and then make sure you click this bell button so that you don't miss any video that I will be uploading. Okay, thank you very much. I will speak to you soon. Hi guys, okay, this is Marshall again. So this is step 2 of Luno's account opening. So this time we just finished. The first video was to create an account, which was easy, and confirm your email. Now we are going to complete our profile and maybe go through the verification process. So if you go to there, or you click anywhere else, if before you complete anything else, it will ask you to complete. Okay, to continue, please tell us a little bit about yourself. So when you click complete, you go to the profile menu. They just want to know all of this information as it is appearing on your ID. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to just pause this quick video. You can see that it's very straightforward questions, and then I am going to come back in while I have clicked next. All right, now for the date of birth, for some of you it might be a little bit, I don't know, challenging, but it's very straightforward. You can see this bit here. Okay, this bit here, that's what you click, is a calendar, and then you can just select from your date when you depending when you can either go using this arrow back and forth. But if you are somebody maybe who was born a little bit earlier, you might find it quicker to just click on this. It will shows you the years, and if the years they're not according to the age, well, you can just click on it, click on here, and then you just click back and forth. So you kind of move, you know, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 24 kind of years at a time. So you see, so it's easier that way. And then you select, I don't know, 1970, for example, the year, and then you select the month, and then you select the date. So it's easy like that. I just why we mentioned that, because some people might find it challenging. All right. I'll see you in a sec. Once you confirm, once you complete those text box and you confirm, you put the information correctly, it will send you. There will be a pop-up that will come up, and that will ask you to confirm the details you just put, that they are correct. Okay. After you've done that, you click next, and then you are here at this process. So at this process now, so your profile has been set up. Now it's a matter of adding document to prove your identity, and that's what I'm going to do, right? So you can wait, later, or just do it then. I would advise you to, when you create this account, to have audit, to have a copy of your passport or whatever ID, national ID you have, and a copy of a bill of any proof of address that you have in your country, and then have it ready scanned on your computer already, so you can just do that. All right. If it is using your mobile phone, have all these documents on your mobile phone ready to go. All right. So you click on add documents. So let's add some documents. So take a photo of your ID, make sure it is clear and it is in color. Right. And the second step, you're gonna take a selfie and then you submit. Very simple. So let's go. So when you click go, and you ask you what document you want. Okay. And I am going to choose a passport. You can choose a driver's license, so you can choose that. All right. So I'm gonna take passport, and it said take a photo, but I take a photo of your passport. I've already have. This is probably assuming that you have a phone. So when you use a phone, you just take a photo. But for me, I am going to upload. Okay, so I'm not going to allow this. I'm just going to upload. Choose this second option of uploading. All right. So if you don't have the document uploaded already scanned, you take this option and you can take a picture. All right. But because I have the document already, I'm just going to upload this here. All right. So I will just upload, and I'll see you in a bit. Okay. So I have uploaded my document, my passport. You can see here. And if you want to replace, you can just click replace if you uploaded the wrong document. So the next step is to take a selfie. So obviously, Luno had to ask me a permission for my camera. So I have accepted it. So I need to go. Let's go. So you click let's go. Now it's going to take a picture of myself. All right. Or I can just also upload a picture of myself. Okay, so I'll see in a bit once I have taken a picture of myself. Once I uploaded all the documents here, and then I put a selfie, then I just click submit. Alright, and it just says stand by, we resume the info, and then we get back to you within 2 business. So within 2 business days, I will update you guys with another video once I'm fully verified on how you can fund your account. Okay. Speak to you soon. Bye for now.